Hi, my name is Dr. Aniek Sies.
And I am Dr. Nico. And together we present Fun with Azure Machine Learning. So, if you are interested in machine learning, we have some great news for you. We will be running a workshop soon. And in this workshop, you can go ahead and learn about the 3 different ways to do machine learning in Azure.
Number 1. For those who love to autopilot, the automated machine learning.
Number 2, for those who love to draw, we have the Azure Machine Learning Designer.
Number 3, for those who love snakes.
It's not snakes. Python is not named after a snake.
For those who love Python code, the Python notebooks.
And those are the 3 ways with which we will go ahead and show you how to do machine learning. So come and see us at a conference near you. And together we present Azure Fun with Azure Machine Learning. So, if you are interested in machine learning, we